Lock check. Damn, bro, I don't know what I'm doing, but I gotta wash some clothes for sure. Shit. I'm gonna definitely hit the gym today. Your boy be getting small. Like, I'm about to weigh myself, see how much I weigh right now. Shit crazy, cause I just lost hella weight. Fool, that's how much I weigh with my clothes on now, bro. So I'm gonna put y'all on game real quick. I just had a food poisoning incident, right? I lost 13 pounds, bro. I was literally at 170, bro. Kinda get on my big dog shit, bro. I lost 13 pounds, but I'm at 157 now, bro. It gets tragic, bro. It gets tragic, bro. All that progress I made gaining weight, bro, is gone. And all the muscle I gained, it's gone. I'm back to square one. As far as eating, y'all, bro, I can't eat shit, bro. I can eat 4 ounces of food at a time, basically, bro. I could only eat a serving. I used to be big back as a bitch, bro. I was a skinny nigga. I used to be fat, bro. I can't be big back, bro. I don't have the option, bro. I literally can't stomach too much food at a time, bro. And that's alright, you know what I'm saying? I'm just low-key fix my eating habits, but it's like, bro, this shit crazy, saying your scale never dropped that much, bro. I'm only 5'10" and a half, so 157 realistically not a bad weight, like, but like, bro, come on, bro. I was 170, bro. I mean, if I'm weighing 155, that means I'm jumping out the gym, you know what I'm saying? I might get to looking like Ja Morant out this motherfucker back on his rookie season, you know what I'm saying? That nigga was 6'3", 165. If I'm 5'10", 155, I got that same potential. Hey, so boom, I was ready to walk outside, ignore the no shirt, bro. It's warm in my city today. It's been 20 degrees every single day. For some reason, it's been like 60 degrees all day. All night, I was recording last night at like 2 in the morning, bro. It's warm as fuck. I popped out with 2 coats on. It was hot as hell. I was sweating in that bitch. But yeah, you guys, I was having a little theory that the motherfucking mail lady was holding on to my mail or something. And come to find out, like, I was supposed to get this from the city like a week ago. This is my I'm like, yo, shorty told me that she was gonna send it to me, but I ain't get no mail. But I'm thinking like, whole time I'm about to call back like, yo, send me that shit. But I'm thinking like, damn, I ain't get no mail the whole time either. Like, it's probably something going on. Yeah, the mail lady was holding on to my shit. I'm about to goddamn see what this talking about, dude. And I also got a package. This is what we actually about to unbox. I ain't gonna let y'all know what the city gave me. What the hell is this? How do I open this box? Yo, what the fuck? This is not what I thought it was going to be. Oh, this is not what I thought it was going to be, yo. I'm not gonna lie, bro, that's crazy, bro. I was not expecting this bitch to be the balaclava I ordered like 2 fucking weeks ago, bro. I definitely thought this was ready to be a watch. Ah, I thought this was gonna be something else, damn it. Damn it, damn it. Let's try this again. That shit just pulled out my damn rubber band, man. Fuck, I was gonna take that bitch off anyway. I ain't gonna complain. Bro, what the fuck? How you put this on with a lock? Oh, nah. First things first. This bitch way too tight, shawty. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if my head bigger, son. This bitch way too fucking tight. I don't know if it's the locks or what. This bitch tight than a motherfucker. Like, how am I supposed to rock this? Hey, I need somebody to drop a lock balaclava, shawty. Tighten up. Like, what is this? This motherfucker tight than a bitch on me, fool. God damn. They need to drop a double XL one of these or something. Like, shit, motherfuckers. And then motherfuckers know who I'm in. Like, I'm about to have to goddamn, like, what the fuck is this? I had to see how it's hitting on a cold day. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna say I ain't gonna better put a bitch off. No, I just said I don't like it. You feel me? I mean, I'm not, nigga. Like, come on, dog. Like, I ain't gonna say I ain't gonna rock the bitch, but I'm just saying it's ass. You feel me? It should have been better. It should have been better, nigga, but it's not. I got a cheat code. So, boom, splits for the day. We're gonna start things off real slight with the squat. Warm myself up, get my legs and my bottom straight. I don't fuck with people, but hey, shout out. Hey, you know who you is who bought this camera? She probably watching this video. Shout out to you for buying me this goddamn tripod. Not the camera. I bought that. But the tripod, nah, this bit hard. I ain't even used this bitch back in the day when we were together, but shit. Hey, shout out to you. This bit hard. Hey. So I have a lot of ankle pains when I'm trying to do squats. If anybody in the chat, like a doctor or just expertise on certain things, how can I stop my ankle stability? Or like, how can I support that? I don't know what to do. I need help. Thank you. Like I said earlier, I lost a lot of weight. I'm feeling very weak right now. This usually feels like no weight. 135 feel like 225 right now. I'm gonna have to retrain from the get-go. You know what I'm saying? It's bad right now. I'll probably rep these out 225 real quick. I might go up to 275 for like 1 rep, but I ain't gonna go too much higher than that today. I'll probably do like 3, 4, 5 sets of these. I'm in it for the long haul, nigga. Sets of 8. It's looking scary right now. Just for common perspective, but I didn't lift 415 before. Like easy. Like, bro, this is crazy, bro. I'm already tired. My stamina is terrible right now, bro. I haven't done any cardio work in months. I be hooping getting tired after like 5-10 minutes, bro. I stopped smoking, so hopefully my lung capacity increases. I see my lips getting pink again. Yeah, they used to be purple as fuck 24/7. I'm ready to take stats, cause you gotta motivate your brother. Get in that gym, nigga, is what it says. I can't read it. Everybody in the comments say shout out stats. I usually like to superset in my time off, but I ain't feeling that shit today. I ain't hitting no arms and nothing like that. Just stick to my split right now. I'll get back to that little try hard shit probably tomorrow. Alright, that's set number 5. I'm gonna do one more set of 8 on the 225. Now I'm gonna do 275 for 2. Get myself 50 squat reps and I'm gonna move on to the next thing. Wave it out. Hey, I'm at the leg extension now. Hey, it's crazy when you work the sweat up off of squats. That mean you going crazy. Shit, I'm doing double legs, so I'm gonna start off with 90 as a field test. Oh, brother, damn, that shit, yeah, nah. Ooh, shit, put that bitch down, nigga. I just did heli squats. I probably should not get on this. Somebody on the leg press right now. That's what I wanted to get on. But I'm about to just switch to my damn core for a second. Hey, shout out Drew Holiday. This low-key pathetic as fuck. I can't even do 10 without falling, bro. This is crazy. Them NBA niggas is crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You going at that level, you going too hard. Y'all niggas love this shit too much. Y'all really just too disciplined. This shit is crazy, like crazy. Like I get, like, I love this shit. This shit feels so good when it hurt, my nigga. But bro, it be hard to be consistent, bro. To do this shit every day though, bro. Crazy, like day in, day out, month in, month out. Hell no. Ass bugging the fuck out. Yo ass got to be making millions to want to do this shit. Millions, but the millions make you don't want to do it no more. It's crazy. Man, we're gonna have to come back to this one on my mom. Hey, son Diesel ass nigga put me onto this workout. How to get my core sturdy and whatnot. I can't do the Nordics right now, Brody. My damn quadricep feel crazy. We about to hit these steps though. Nothing like a little steppy action. Hey, 2 minutes. I ain't ready to damn throw up in this bitch. My core's not here right now. 2 minutes on 10. Oh hell no. Yeah, I feel that shit in my stomach. Two minutes, 100 steps, I ain't fucking around. Holy shit, I'm ready to leave here. I can't talk to you now, yo. But where the fuck my phone at, bro? Where the fuck my phone at, bro? Oh, what the fuck do I want? I don't know. There's too many options, fool. That bitch look fire. Damn. Oh, that's on top. What that talking about? Okay. Hold up. Oh, that's the one. Ooh. Hey, that's the one. That's the one right here. Go. Oh yeah, that's the look. Okay, if that's the look for it, and I think OG got something for it. I thought I'm gonna get this for my dog, man. I ain't never seen folks pop out with a watch before. And Shorty grinding. I think if Shorty got this little watch or whatever, man, if Shorty got this watch or whatever, I think Shorty might have to cop a Cartier one day. Gold. Yeah, I think that's the one. I think we gonna, That don't look like a Rolex watch. I like that. That look like a Rolex watch. I like that. I think we're gonna have to pick this up. 3 to 7 business days. If 3 to 7 business days is legitimate, that means that junk gonna come by the 19th through the 23rd. Fuck Walmart, fuck JCPenney. We fucking with these niggas on my baby dog.